gentlemen, there was a special initiative that we took this year particularly, and it was an initiative which was very close to my heart. I think it was last year around the same time I became a mom. My kid is now 1 year old, and interestingly, it was the first time I realized what is the difference between a woman entrepreneur and a mompreneur. You know, a woman's capacity to perform and a man's capacity to perform or give output is virtually the same till she really becomes a mom and has another responsibility of a child. So I think it's very important that women are today empowered, moms are today empowered to be able to start a business. And I think Franchise India has taken this initiative to help moms who want to start a business but are unable to do so for a variety of reasons. We want to reduce their nap time, it is when they stop working and take a break and are unable to go back to work again. We want to reduce the nap time and hopefully make sure that they get into business. So we've started this initiative of mompreneurs. We're very thankful for the advisory board who supported us in this initiative. I would like to firstly thank upon Mrs. Shilpa Shetty Kundra for helping us and supporting us in this mission. Thank you very much, Shilpa. We really appreciate it. Mrs. Veena Kumar, who's the Managing Director of Naturals. Thank you, Veena, for being a part of this initiative. Ms. Leena Asher, she's the Managing Director of Kangaroo Kids. She's been doing a fantastic work. She could not join us here today, but she's also helped us and supported us in this. Mrs. Deepika Jindal, who's the Managing Director for Art-Inox Jindal Steel, for being a part of this. And Neeta Lulla, the designer, celebrity designer, who actually all of them are moms, but all of them have been doing some fantastic work. So we're going to be unveiling something for you in a minute or so, which Pooja is going to help me with. But the idea is that Franchise India this year particularly and in the years to come it has taken this pledge to at least empower 1 million moms and help them to go into business. Thank you very much.